In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw fair value gaps, also known as FVG, in TradingView step by step. First, open TradingView and load any chart of your choice. The market and time frame don't matter for this method. Now, look at the top of the screen and click on Indicators. Once the Indicators panel opens, go to the search bar and type Fair Value Gap. You'll see different results in the list. Simply click on any fair value gap indicator. As soon as you click it, the indicator will be added to your chart automatically. Now, you'll clearly see the fair value gaps marked on the chart. These highlighted areas show price imbalances and can help you spot potential entry or reaction zones. And that's it. That's how you can easily draw and use FVG in TradingView. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.